Hi everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. Let's start a new part of your chapter. Number 6 of grade 7, the triangles and its properties. Triangles are a simple closed figure made up of three line segments. They are the simplest polygons. It has three vertices, three sides and three angles. Here the sides are AB bar, BC bar and CA bar. Here these are the line segments. Angles are angle BAC, angle ABC and angle BCA. Here the AC is having a fixed vertex at the center, that is A, and ABC with B vertex and BCA with the C vertex. And the vertices are A, B and C. Now what is the median of a triangle? Median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. If we start with A, then it will be connecting towards the BC's center, opposite sides center. So AP is the median, which is found in the second figure, and AD is the altitude. That means it represents the height of the triangle also. AD is the altitude as well as median. Now what do you mean by altitude of the triangle? Perpendicular distance from a vertex to the opposite side. Above figure, AD is an altitude. Okay, so you can find these two concepts in the same figure of the first triangle. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of the line segment QR. Then the line segment PM is the altitude and PD is the median. But QM is not equal to MR since they are not placed at the middle point. MA is not at the middle point. The middle is nearly D. Exterior angle property. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposites angles. In triangle ABC, exterior angles are x and y and the interior angles are 1 and 2. So x plus y is equal to 1 plus 2. Okay, the angle x, angle y is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. If we consider the x and y together, then it is x plus y is the exterior angle and that sum is equal to the interior angle sum. Find angle x in figure. Here 110 is the exterior, interior is 50 and x. So 110 is equal to 50 plus x. X can be written like 110 minus 50, that is x equal to 60. Angle sum property of a triangle. The total measure of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Angle sum is 180 degree. You can do the exercise 6.3, question number 1 and 2. Here let's compare the equilateral triangle and the isosceles triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? When all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal to 60 degree, it is called an equilateral triangle. If only two sides are equal and base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal, only the base angles which are opposite to the equal sides are equal, then it is isosceles triangle. Find x and y in the given figure. One angle, the given triangle is a right angle triangle. So the one angle is 90 degree and it is an isosceles triangle as it is given with an equal to symbol on the lines. The total sum is 180 degree and one angle is 90 degree means x plus y is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. So each angle will be 45. Sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. You can verify it with some examples. AB plus BC is greater than AC. AC plus BC is greater than AC. AC plus AB is greater than BC. If we take any two random sides, its sum must be greater than the third side. In the example 3, 6 and 7, 3 plus 6 is 9 which is greater than 7, 6 plus 7 is 13 which is greater than 3 and 3 plus 7 which is 10 which is always greater than 6. So we can say that with these three measures we can form a triangle or they are the measures of a triangle. Now right angle triangles and Pythagoras property. Right angle triangle. What do you mean by right angle triangle? As we have discussed in the previous question, a right angle triangle is a triangle with one angle 90 degree and other two angles acute. You can name this BC and AB as legs, or you can call it like BC as base and AB as altitude and AC as always hypotenuse, which is the largest side and opposite to 90 degree. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to 90 degree and largest side in the right triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to leg square plus leg square, that is base square plus altitude square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is a well-known theory proposed by Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem states that Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square, otherwise leg square plus leg square. Pythagoras theorem is always true for a right angle triangle, and in reverse you can say the right angle triangle always satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, C is 90 degree if AB equal to 25, AC equal to 7. Then find BC. Keep practicing and don't forget to follow this channel for more updates. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the upcoming parts of your classes.